Morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, as I told you that, like in my previous video, I had explained you the 52 and 53 page number. Like I had completed till 51 and 52. Now, today I'll explain you 53 and 54 page number. But before that, I will give you a short revision, or I'll just give you a short summary of the chapter again. So as I earlier told you that this is a true incident, as the author Mr. This the writer name is Zen. So he had described his true incidents in this story, where the teenager means the author joins a new school and he finds it strange and awkward as his closest friends are in a different school, and he misses his old schools and teachers and always goes to meet his old teachers regularly. And now one day what happened, one day while the teenager means the author is doing his homework, his house catches fire. He and his mother run outside the house. He goes to his neighbor to call the fire brigade with his mother. While his mother rushes inside to get some important documents and the picture of his father, as earlier I told you that he had lost his father. So he is terrified on seeing his mother going inside the burning house, and in the process of saving his mother he forgot that about his pet cat, means his tabby cat, which was also there when he was doing his homework on that Sunday. Now, after 5 hours, the firemen are successful in extinguishing the fire, and the author suddenly realizes that his pet cat is missing. He searches it everywhere, but he is unable to find it. So he cries for the loss of his cat. Now he and his mother shifted to his grandparents' home as their house has been completely destroyed by the fire. So as you all know that that they had shifted to their grandparents' house, but he has to go to his new school the next day. So the next day the author goes to school, but he has only his clothes, which which he was wearing on that Sunday, and his clothes was destroyed in that fire. So his clothes look weird, and he does not have any books or school bag, as everything was destroyed in the fire. So he feels strange going like this to the school, and wants to die as his school, old school. His friends, his house, and his pet cat have been taken away from him. Means he was continuously thinking that firstly he had lost his father. Now his house was burned. Before that he was shifted to the new school and now he misses his old school teachers and friends. So he wants to die. He don't want to live. Now he had lost all the hope of living. He was completely in the destructive mode. So after school the teenager reveals it, after what happened, the his new school came his new school friends came to know about the destruction of his house. So he thought that why don't we help him. So now what happened, he was going in those shoes which had borrowed from his auntie. That was the tennis shoes, I told you about that. And the clothes he was wearing it, some of the clothes he had in his grandparents house, so he was wearing that. So his new school friends had decided to give him some new clothes and some new backpack and everything. So now what happened, his schoolmates, teachers had brought some personal stuff for him, and whatever the personal stuff, like the school bag, backpack, jeans and t-shirts and shirts, all those things was brought by them, and it was gifted to him one day. So now from that day he had made a new friends, and also he became a very good friend. Like he and his new friends were there. Now he was thinking that yes, I can be these friends can be a good one as my old friends were there. So now today I will be explaining you the page number 53 and 54. So I just told you till first that is the last paragraph of 52, and now I'll go with the 53 first paragraph. A month later I was at my house watching them rebuilding, but this time it was different. I wasn't alone. I was with two of my new friends from school. So after a month later, when his house was destroyed, he was sitting there where his new house was rebuilding. It means he was watching his the that old house was again rebuilding it. Now this time it was different. Why? Because he was sitting with his two new friends from that new school. It took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. So now it took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feelings of insecurity. Means he now don't bother about anything. Now he had he had forgot about all those things, that he was depressed, that he had lost each and everything, because now he has two new friends with him, and now he was more confident in talking with each and everyone. So he was now enjoying his life and also the wonderful people around him. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. So when he was watching his own house by being a rebuilt, means that house was rebuilding it. So now he also realized that his life was also doing the same thing. Firstly he had lost his father, then too he woke up and he become very strong. Then he had lost his old friends and old teachers and the old school, but he was in the new school, and he was taking some time, but it will take some time, but he was again rebuilding it. Now when he had lost house that was burned in a fire, that was destroyed in that fire, then also now his new house was making it. So he was thinking that if anything is destroyed, then we don't lose the hope. We have to stand by it, and we have to be enough strong to make a one self strong one, so that we can be a good person, or a we have to do a good thing in our life. Now again he was realizing that his life was also doing the same thing. वो एक बार टूटता था, फिर वो strong बन जाता था. उसके जो फादर थे पहले, उनको he had lost that. Firstly he had lost in that thing, then he had lost his teacher and new old school and everything. Now while we sat there on the curb planning my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, does this belongs to you? So now when he was sitting on the curb, and he was planning that how his new bedroom would be like this or not. He heard someone that walking up to him and from behind and say, and she said that it was a lady of female voice, as she asked, does this belongs to you? And when I turned around to see who it was, I couldn't believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. So, when he was planning, or when he was thinking that his new bedroom should be like this or like that, he heard someone coming behind him, and it was a female voice, and she asked, does this belongs to you? When he turned back, and what he had saw, that a cat was there. She was holding a cat, and that cat was his cat, his pet cat. I leapt up and grabbed her out of the woman's arm. I held her close to me and cried into that beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat, and jumping around. So when the author saw that it was his cat, he just grabbed that cat from the woman's hand or arms, and he just held her in his own arm and he started like kissing that cat, and now he just purring in that cat was also feeling very happy, and he started crying. And after this his friends also hugged him and kissed him, and also jumping they started jumping around that his friend and his cat. Now, apparently, my cat had been so freaked by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Her collar had our phone number on it, but our phone had been destroyed and disconnected. So, what happened when the fire burst out there? The cat ran away over a mile. Means वो बहुत तेज दौड़ते हुए बहुत दूर चली गई. Now her caller had a phone number on that like the collar which was that cat was wearing, that container, the like that had a phone number on it. So what happened, but that phone was destroyed in the fire, so that lady was trying to call it, but that phone was destroyed, so it always it was always tells that the phone number is not available, or it is not available. Every time it's tell that that number is not available, or you can say that is number is not like it temporarily out of the service. So this wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. So that wonderful woman took done a very hard work, as she find out whose cat it was. Somehow she knew this cat was loved and surely missed. So somewhat that lady knows that that lady knew his cat was loved and surely missed. As I sat there with my friends and my cat curled up in my lap, all the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seemed to diminish. So, as he sat there with his friends and his cat curled up in his lap, as like the earlier, whenever she was with him, so she does the same thing, and all the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seem to diminish. Means whatever I was thinking before, that I had lost this and that, and I had lost my cat also, so that was all diminished, means vanished away. I felt gratitude for my life, my new friends, the kindness of stranger, and the loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back, and so was I. So now he feel very gratitude, very helpful, he was feeling very joyed for his life, because now he has a new friends. The kindness of stranger means the thing he was listening, like he was thinking, and loud purr of the his beloved cat, and as he thought that as his cat was back, so as he was also back. So student, this till I had completed this chapter. So now I will open the slot for all of you after a hour, and so ask your queries tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Like tomorrow is your Tuesday, that is 26th January, that is will be a holiday. Day after tomorrow means on Wednesday I will be discussing the question answers with you all in the class. So please in the online class, so please be prepared yourself for the question answers portion. And on Thursday I will be coming to a school, so if you want to attend the classes of mine, please do come. And not mine, even you all have to come. I'll just told you earlier also. Please do come and join your classes, start coming to a school and ask your queries. So this week you all have your maths, इंग्लिश एंड साइंस क्लासेस इन योर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस. आपकी ऑफलाइन क्लासेस मतलब स्कूल में जो चलेंगी वो 3 क्लासेस चलेंगी. ऑनलाइन जैसे आपकी प्रॉपर क्लासेस चलती है वो चलेंगी, बट ऑफलाइन ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे आपकी 9th की क्लास चलती है. वो भी सिर्फ 3 क्लासेस आर रनिंग ऑन from 9 to 11:15. So please do come and ask your queries. Thank you students. Take care and bye bye.